Welcome to JH. Today we're diving into tickfunds.com, a platform that claims you can earn a fortune just by watching TikTok videos and doing super simple online tasks. It sounds like a dream for anyone whose screen time is already dangerously high. But before you quit your day job to scroll through dance trends, let's see if this is actually legit or just another digital trap. Their own website is covered in polished, glowing reviews that look like they were written by the owner's very enthusiastic mother. However, when we looked at Trustpilot, we found a depressing 2.9-star rating based on only 2 reviews. Users are reporting that the site forces them to install random apps and sign up for sketchy free offers just to unlock their earnings, which, spoiler alert, never actually arrive. It's basically a digital scavenger hunt where the only prize is a wasted afternoon. The red flags only get weirder from here. We checked the domain age, and the records claim it was registered in October 2025. Apparently, these guys are operating from the future, which explains why their business model makes 0 sense in the present. Even if we assume that's a typo, a brand new site with no history making massive promises is a classic recipe for a scam. To make matters worse, there is absolutely no way to contact them. No email, no phone number, and no physical address. Their terms and conditions and privacy policy links don't even work. They just refresh the same page. It's a bold move to ask for your data while literally refusing to show you a privacy policy. But I guess, trust me, bro, is their official legal strategy. Finally, let's look at the math. They claim you can make $500 to $1,000 a week just for watching videos at 50 cents a pop. If that were true, the global economy would collapse because everyone would be at home watching Get Ready With Me videos for a living. They even use those desperate pop-ups claiming John just cashed out $300 to create fake urgency. Our final verdict? Tickfunds.com is about as trustworthy as a gas station sushi platter. It's a data harvesting scheme designed to benefit the creators while you do all the free labor. Stay far away from this one. There are real ways to make money online, but this definitely isn't one of them. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe so you don't get fooled by the next too good to be true offer.